Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you make Capcut video high quality? Okay, so first and foremost, once you've got your Capcut installed, just basically follow the step-by-step process that I'm going to be giving you guys so that you guys can follow through. Okay, plan your video outline, of course, the structure, gather all medias before videos, images, audio, and decide on any effects and transitions you want to use on this one. I'm just using this. So the editing process goes, so importing media, open Capcut, start a new project, import your video clips, audio files into projects. Capcut supports a variety of formats, especially arranging clips. Drag your media onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. So trim the go ahead and trim the clips here. Cut out the unnecessary parts by selecting a clip and dragging the edges inward. Now adding transition and effects. Transitions. Capcut offers various transitions to smooth out cuts between clips. Select a transition and drag it between two clips on the timeline. So enhance your video with filters, of course, stickers, text overlays, and animation. Apply these by selecting the clip or images, then choosing the effect from the toolbar. Okay, so adjusting the speed also. So speed adjustment, speed control after the speed of the clip, clips for slow motion or fast motion effects. Select a clip, tap speed, and adjust the slider. Reverse playback also. Okay, so make clips, play reverse basically for creative effects. Adding, music and audio could also help. And adjust volumes. Ensure your audio levels are balanced using the audio mixer tool. Fine tuning and enhancing quality. So resolution and quality. Capcut supports up to 4K resolution to ensure your project settings are set to highest quality for your device supports, basically. So go to settings if you want to go ahead and figure that out. Color correction. Enhance colors by adjusting brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your videos visually appealing. So before exporting, review exporting settings to ensure the video format, resolution, and high quality settings meet your requirements, basically. And once you're done with that, playback, and of course rewatch your product to check for any areas needing improvement, etc. Also use Capcut's preview features to see how your final video will look before exporting. So they also have preview features. Once satisfied with your edits, tap the export button, choose your desired resolution, and then just basically it. And make sure to make this on par with your edit, like the lighting. All you have to do is drag it here. See these lines here? It also adjusts to the colors, basically. We have green, adjusts the green. So that's how you create a fine resolution video on Capcut. This is the blue, enhances the blue, or dulls it a little bit. In this case, turns it into green. Let's move up a little bit here. It goes to red. That's just basically it. That's how simple and easy it is. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.